All right, guys. We don't come this morning. How you guys doing today? It's good to be back here. Yes, we are here to talk about Very Dark Man and the Arewa youth president. And I remember the Arewa youth, or rather, let's start from the beginning. You know, the Sultan and Sokoto say social media is a terrorist group. Very Dark Man responded by saying that social media is not a terrorist group. And everything, every positive thing that social media have been doing in the country, it bullet pointed them. Then the Arewa youth president, I don't know what we will call on this time. I know say na bonfu na call on yesterday. But he don't respond back again now. Maybe okay, make we call on ex bonfu. The Arewa youth president ex bonfu can't give Very Dark Man 48 hours. At that time, he na bonfu. But at this moment, now this video is an ex bonfu. So he don't reply, and Very Dark Man responded back immediately since last night. But I'd like us to watch this together.
Alright, so Arewa youth president have released another video, and this time he even tagged me. Let's watch the video.
My name is Ambassador Abdul Mbature, the Speaker of Northern Nigerian Youth. I am here to discuss the merit issues facing the North at large. The issue of insecurity in Northern Nigeria is too much, most especially Plateau State and Benue State. And I want to call the attention of our politicians that they should please stop playing politics with the life of Northern Nigerian youth. And again, I want to appeal to our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He should please relocate our security agencies, most especially Chief of Naval Staff, Chief of Securities, Chief of Army Staff, Chief of Air Staff, and Inspector General Police. This President should please relocate all these security agencies to Plateau State and Benue State. The insecurity is too much in the north. We are not safe in Zamfara State. We are not safe in Kaduna State. We are not safe in Sokoto. We are not safe in Plateau and other parts of the north. Enough is enough. Thank you very much.
Alright, so I want to believe that he has gone to watch my video very well. Now, this time, he cooled down to watch the video so you don't get understanding. You understand? And he has goes on to explain and also call on the authorities just the way he's supposed to do. You don't understand? I like that. If not like this, you do your video the first time, me and you for no get problem. But to come out, they give somebody like me 48 hours is actually disrespectful for no reason. For no reason. You understand? Now where you don't do the right thing. I did not insult the Sultan of Sokoto. Sultan of Sokoto is a father, not just a father, a first-class king. Like I said, I have my reasons. I respect the Oba of Benin, the Oni of Ife, you know, the Olu of Wari, you know, a lot. We have a lot of first-class king in Nigeria where we say we no feel open our mouth to talk. But if our father don't talk, just like Papa where you get for house, because sometimes daddy no go know one or two things based on technology. You understand? You go tell Papa, say, daddy, oh, this is what it's all about. Oh, no be so, not like this it be now. That was simply what I did. A lot of people, I saw different people, different videos everywhere. They were insulting the Sultan of Sokoto. I didn't do that. Not because I am scared. Do you understand? Not because I fear, say, okay, yeah, if I talk something will happen. No. But because I respect that throne. I respect, and I have read histories of kings. In this country, safe. In this country, a lot of people respect their king past president. You know the kind of power that kings command? Why do you think a lot of these politicians, why you say that they try to do politics for Kano? They have seen the power that the emir of Kano has. That's why they try to do politics so that they will reduce the power of that throne. And slowly, a lot of these politicians are penetrating into royalty. They are penetrating it. Slowly, all of them, they want the enter inside all these kings so that they will bring the power of the throne down. That's their aim. They know the power that these kings have. And our kings too, they will need to be observed because all these cunning men, whether they call politicians for this Nigeria, they can do anything to stay in power. Anything. They do anything. So I respect royalty, I respect kings, I respect monarchy. Do you understand? And if you go check around the world, all the place where we say king they in charge of for the world, all of them they progress. This year democracy where they say they carry come, democracy where not even be democracy. Check out the whole country where they practice democracy. It's still never better till tomorrow. See US claim democracy, people go bust, enter inside people shop, go thief. Some people they shit on top for streets. Now they change small children gender all in the name of democracy. Go check around the world. All the places where we say, okay, yes, now king go or autocratic system of government, it actually they work. Honestly, this is your democracy where they carry come. Oh, let's have this. Oh God, I'm not saying democracy is not good, but in this part of the world, they've abused it, especially for this kind of Nigeria like this. They don't abuse them. So I respect kings. I know the power where they command. I know we say people they fear this king, but because they understand, say, these people don't deal. Now these people they help us judge matter. If I go meet king, I can assess my king. Although in recent time, a lot of people know if you assess the king. You unlike before, we say people feel just carry complaint, go meet king. Read the history of monarchy. Read the history of monarchy. I don't feel disrespect the king at all. If the king like, make it cost my mama, cost my papa, cost me. I no go talk. So if I see my king, I no go talk. I no feel me open my mouth. No now. No. So please, now we don't understand ourselves. You understand? Number one, don't ever try to send threats to me again. That's number one. Number two, I did not disrespect the Sultan of Sokoto. I would never disrespect the Sultan of Sokoto or any other king in Nigeria. Thank you very much. Peace and love. Don't play. If you play, you're going to learn. For real, though, and you will learn the hard way. Don't play. The Rattle movement, you know the vibe. Rattle know the move. Don't play.
Now, don't hear the ex-Bofu and the immediate response back from Very Dark Man. This time, Very Dark Man went on, applauded him, and he also went on to talk about our traditional rulers, their respect, the grade they belong, and how we should approach them. Now, see, my people, listen, one thing I want you guys to learn from this video, or rather from all the videos, all the saga. Don't let any, that time that person go slap you for you, say me give her this and me slap back. Who you be now? Who born you? Has Nigeria you all be so? A country where we know that there's nobody that is protecting us. Somebody go slap you, say me slap you back the next week. Who you be? You don't get to head. So for now, we will call you ex-Bofu. Thank you guys for joining us today. I appreciate you all. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are affecting us on Nigeria Watch Live broadcast. Share our videos, like our videos, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we post a video or we go live. Take care, guys, and bye for now.